Hi, my name is Ernesto, and I'm a software architect here at Mayan Technologies. Today, I'm going to show you how you can update a Kinetic menu in the cloud. If you have worked with Cloud Customer, you might have noticed that all the system menu are read-only. You cannot make any changes. So you might wonder, how can I update one of those menu and assign my customization or change the name? And I'm going to show you how to do that. First, we need to open menu maintenance and we need to browse to the menu that we wish to modify. In my example, I'm going to use the workforce menu, which is under the order management setup menu. As you can see, all the fields are read only. I cannot make any changes in here. So the first step is to go to the overflow menu and select the option copy to current company. Once I do that, you notice how a new record is created and all the fields from the system menu have been copied. I have the classic program, I have the Kinetic application, I have the name, and now I can make any changes that I want. I can change the name, or I can search for a customization. Once I've done those changes, I can save the record, and this is ready to use. Now, this record is going to replace the system menu item. However, you don't have to worry. If you need to recover the system menu item, you can simply open the custom menu, go to the overflow, and delete it. Once you delete it, you will notice that the system menu item will show again with all the field as read-only. The copy to current company is a powerful feature because it allows you to duplicate menus and moving to a different company, and it will copy all the information for you. You don't have to worry of manually copying the information from one menu to another. This is heavily used for cloud customer, but is also available for clients on premise. Thank you for watching.